Diego. There's a power jam started off for Maryland Gunboat.
Kind of built up here with the team. Potentially picking up a monster behind the jam line.
I would imagine we'll be seeing her jam very shortly. Honey frustrated Maryland Gunboat. She continues to push her out of bounds. Now Maryland Gunboat back in late to Diesel. Able to get by her. Wicked Angel taking a man who sneaks out of the penalty box. And she's got to get by Nasty Nikki Nexton. Able to do so, and she's going to be your lead jammer. Wicked Angel very quickly getting back one more time. Not slowing down. That's going to be a quick 5 points for San Diego.
Knocked out by Honey, but then Honey gets knocked out. And Honey able to come back in. Using those forearms a bit too much. He gets sent to the penalty box. That's going to result in a power jam for San Diego.